Welcome back to Summarize Science. Ever wondered how a drone sees the world? Unlike us, who have a limited field of view, some drones can see in a full 360 degrees, which is a huge advantage for navigation and understanding their surroundings. But there's a big problem. Training AI for these drones requires massive amounts of 360-degree data, which is incredibly difficult and expensive to collect and label in the real world. This is where a new paper comes in, introducing AirSim360. Researchers have built an incredibly detailed and realistic simulation platform specifically for generating panoramic data from a drone's perspective. Using the same technology behind many blockbuster video games, Unreal Engine 5, they can create vast, lifelike virtual worlds. But this isn't just about pretty pictures. AirSim360 generates not just the panoramic image, but also a treasure trove of perfectly labeled, ground truth data to go with it. This includes information like how far away every object is, what every object is, and even identifying every single unique object in the scene. So how do they create a seamless 360-degree view? They cleverly place 6 virtual cameras inside the drone, each facing a different direction: up, down, left, right, front, and back. Then, they use a sophisticated process to stitch these 6 views together into a single, continuous panoramic image, just like what a real 360-degree camera would produce. What makes AirSim360 really special are its other features. It includes an interactive pedestrian-aware system, which means they can populate their virtual cities with digital humans that walk around and interact with each other realistically. This is crucial for training drones to operate safely in urban environments. They also created a system for automatically generating smooth and realistic flight paths for the drone, which is perfect for training navigation systems. Using this platform, the team collected a massive dataset called Omni360X, containing over 61,000 panoramic samples across 4 different virtual cities. This dataset is a goldmine for researchers, providing more high-quality panoramic aerial data than ever before. But does training on fake, simulated data actually help AI in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes. The researchers showed that AI models trained with their AirSim360 data performed significantly better on tasks like estimating the distance to pedestrians and understanding the depth of a scene, even when tested on real-world data. This proves that their simulation is realistic enough to be incredibly useful. So, to recap, the AirSim360 platform provides a way to generate almost unlimited amounts of high-quality, perfectly labeled 360-degree aerial data. It features realistic environments, interactive pedestrians, and automated flight paths. This is a huge step forward because it breaks down the data bottleneck that has been holding back research in this area. In the future, tools like AirSim360 could be key to developing smarter, safer, and more capable drones. Imagine delivery drones that can navigate complex city streets with ease, or search and rescue drones that can build a complete 360-degree map of an area in seconds. The possibilities are vast, and it all starts with having the right data to learn from. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.